say it blows. All of the other reindeer used to love and call him name. They never let poor Rudolph join in